a funky old dance. We do a funky dance. Now jump up and down. It's just a sweet time to start the day. Now march. Gotta get up, gotta get up, gotta get up, get out of bed. Gotta get up, gotta get up, gotta get up. You see me here. Gotta get up, gotta get up, gotta get up. That's what I said. Gotta get up, gotta get up. Shout it out, get up. Now put your hands way up in the air. Let me see everybody wave them around like you just don't care.
Well, so the band started in 2000. At the time, we were only playing shows in clubs for grown-ups. Then in 2006, I believe it was, we were hired to play one of the Sunday Twilight concert. I always get there. Sunday Twilight concert programs, and you know, over the years, we had several people that would buy our albums and say their kids liked certain songs, and we just kind of started joking around. It's like, hey, one day we're going to put out a kids album.
That was a talk a lot.
That was a talk a lot.
We talked about that a lot
for a long
late
time.
nights driving to gigs.
Driving from wherever. So we set up. We were playing this Sunday Twilight concert program, and we noticed there's a lot of families who are like, hey, you know, why don't we play some of these silly kids-oriented songs that we've been working on, and it went great. Everybody loved them. Maybe the next week, you guys and the Metro Library System contacted us about playing a tour of all the libraries, and it was like, well, this is serendipitous. We have been talking about doing this. Yes, let's absolutely do it, because it was a year later. It gave us a lot of time to prepare. So we were discussing, you know, well, all the songs that we play that are kids-oriented are original. So why don't we record an album, so if some families are at the show, they like the songs, they can buy a copy of the album with the songs they heard. At that point, we put it online, and we started getting some attention from some bloggers and some reviewers who really loved the album. So basically, that first album was recorded because we wanted to have something to sell at the shows that the Arts Council of OKC and Metro Library System booked us to play. That is the reason we recorded that album. All of this is because of the Arts Council of Oklahoma City and the Metropolitan Library System.
Well, and your incredible talent.
Well, I mean, granted, if we
we're trying to be.
I mean, come on, you know.
Monster truck, monster truck, monster truck, monster truck, monster truck, monster truck. Oh yeah.